Our journey begins in the expansive rice paddies, the foundation for Vietnam's culinary artistry. Advanced technology harvests the foundational ingredient golden rice stalks. The journey begins with the finest jasmine rice meticulously harvested by advanced machinery. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Deep within a state-of-the-art facility, colossal robotic arms initiate the journey of raw materials. Advanced systems meticulously pour raw ingredients, ensuring consistent quality for every Vietnamese snack. Skilled technicians oversee the automated process, ensuring every step meets stringent quality controls. This impressive raw material intake system prepares the stage for crafting exquisite Vietnamese snacks. In the colossal purification hall, the journey of rice grains transforms them into the purest ingredients. Precision sifting removes even the smallest imperfections, ensuring only the finest grains proceed. Now the pristine grains enter the multi-stage washing process, bathing in purified water. After purification, the perfectly clean grains are efficiently drained, ready for the next processing phase. The immense scale of the grain purification hall ensures consistent quality batch after batch. From raw grains to pristine purity, every stage is meticulously controlled for peak ingredient quality. Colossal soaking vats prepare the rice, a critical first step in crafting exquisite Vietnamese snacks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any advanced systems and skilled workers collaborate, ensuring perfect preparation for future culinary delights. Every parameter from temperature to duration is meticulously controlled for optimal rice transformation. Once perfectly soaked, the rice begins its journey towards becoming delicious, authentic Vietnamese snacks. Precision engineering transforms humble rice into the purest slurry, ready for its next culinary journey.
This is the foundation for fresh.
Through advanced stone grinding, the grains are transformed into an exquisitely fine silken liquid. A relentless high-volume flow of rice ensures continuous efficient production. The milling room buzzes with the quiet power of multiple state-of-the-art machines operating in perfect synchrony. Within this colossal mixing tank, the white rice slurry begins its precise transformation. Advanced sensors continuously monitor every aspect, ensuring impeccable quality and sterility. Every batch achieves perfect consistency, a testament to cutting-edge technology and sterile conditions. Witness the meticulous ballet of automation as raw ingredients transform into delicate rice paper, the soul of Vietnamese snacks. Inside the colossal steaming unit, precision heat transforms liquid into delicate, continuous rice paper sheets. Automated precision ensures every sheet of rice paper meets the highest standards for quality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. From liquid to a continuous translucent sheet, the automated line ensures consistent quality and purity. The continuous flow and precise handling ensure that large quantities of high-quality rice paper are produced efficiently. These high-tech advancements streamline production, maintaining exceptional quality. From raw slurry to perfect sheets, every step is a testament to technological excellence. From raw ingredients to pristine rice paper, technology elevates traditional craftsmanship to new heights. Every sheet of rice paper is a blend of traditional culinary art and cutting-edge manufacturing. Observe the monumental drying tower, a marvel of modern snack production technology. Within the tower, Ban Trang begins its ascent through precisely controlled environments. Through multiple levels, the sheets transform, achieving perfect texture and translucency. Reaching the apex, the Ban Trang sheets emerge perfectly formed and ready. Human expertise ensures every batch meets our exacting quality standards. The finished Ban Trang reveals a delicate, translucent texture perfected by technology. The colossal drying tower stands as a testament to precision in large-scale manufacturing. Advanced automation swiftly transforms raw ingredients, beginning with fresh, high-quality shrimp. Sophisticated systems ensure every ingredient is perfectly clean, meeting the highest standards. Powerful machines then transform the premium shrimp into a finely minced paste ready for the next stage. Robotic precision ensures the minced shrimp is packaged flawlessly for optimal freshness. The entire shrimp processing wing operates with seamless, cutting-edge efficiency and impressive scale. Inside colossal vats, the precise blending process transforms raw components into a vibrant, uniform paste. Robotic arms guide the blending with precision, ensuring perfect consistency for every batch. Human expertise merges with the automation as skilled workers monitor the advanced blending operations. Giant robotic arms smoothly navigate the mixing hall, guiding materials with futuristic precision. A close-up reveals the final moments of spice integration, ensuring every particle is perfectly blended. Skilled workers perform quality checks, ensuring the paste meets the highest standards for delicious snacks. Glowing interfaces monitor the mixing parameters, ensuring consistent quality for every batch. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Precision engineering transforms raw materials into perfect paste ready for shaping. A rhythmic precision guides each newly formed log onto the automated conveyor. The seamless journey from extrusion to the next stage of processing begins. Human oversight ensures the continuous, flawless operation of this advanced system. The uniform logs smoothly transition, ready for the next precise step in their creation. Advanced machinery precisely transforms raw ingredients into perfect shapes for Vietnamese snacks. Post-cutting flawless circles glide along automated pathways, nearing the next stage of preparation. Robotic precision ensures each Ban Trang circle is perfectly aligned, maintaining product integrity. Precision slicing transforms cooled shrimp paste logs into delicate crackers with unmatched speed. Each slice reveals the snack's savory core, ready for the next stage of its journey. Automated precision ensures every cracker meets the highest standards of quality and consistency. Advanced automation ensures every Vietnamese snack meets the highest standards. Each snack undergoes meticulous inspection, ensuring perfect quality. Flawed items are swiftly and precisely removed, maintaining product excellence.